In this video, we're going to talk about the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. All right, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. If I have a matrix, let's say P equal to a 2 by 2 matrix, A, B, C, D. The determinant of P, written as det P, or the modulus of P, okay, is equal to the determinant of this A, B, C, D. These double lines, all right, indicate determinant. Okay, so to evaluate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, it is this: A times D, that's AD, minus B times C, which is BC. So this is the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix P. So for example, I want to evaluate, this is 3 minus 2, 7, 4. Okay, the question is asking for the determinant of this matrix. The determinant of the matrix is equal to 3 times 4, 12, minus 7 times minus 2, that's minus 14. This will give me a plus, minus times minus. So we have 12 plus 14, and that's 26. So the determinant of the matrix is 26. If I have, let's say, x equal to 1 over 2, 2 over 3, minus 1 over 3, minus 3 over 5. I want to determine the determinant of x. All right, it's straightforward. The determinant of x is half times minus 3 over 5. Look at it, half times minus 3 over 5, minus, or now multiply this 2. That's minus 1 over 3 times 2 all over 3. This is minus 3 over 10. Minus 3 all over 10. Minus, this is minus 2 all over 9. The minus here and the minus here will give me a plus. Alright, 2 all over 9. So if I'm going to simplify this, the LCM is 90. The LCM of 9 and 10. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 9 times minus 3 is minus 27. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20, right? That's plus 20. Minus 27 plus 20, which is 20 minus 27, is minus 7 all over what? 90. This is the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. If the determinant of this matrix is equal to 7, we have to find the value of x. It's easy to solve, alright? So let's take the determinant of this matrix first and then equate it with 7. X times 5 is 5x. Solution: minus 2 times 3 is 6, all equal to 7. So 5x is equal to 7 plus 6. That's if we collect like terms. And 7 plus 6 is 13. So dividing both sides by 5, we have x equal to 13 all over 5. 5 we divide 13 2 times, remaining 3 all over 5. Here's the value of x, for which this determinant equals 7. This is how to solve problems involving the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and to your classmates.